Alright guys, so welcome back to the channel. Thank you for hanging out, spending a few moments here with me. If you're new, definitely make sure you hit that subscribe button. I really do appreciate it. Now today what we're going to do is head out, hang out with another YouTuber called MackAttack, and he has a 2016 Charger. He's done quite a few modifications. I believe he's just starting to get into the performance end of it. So we're going to see what he has to say about his car. Probably do some, fun stuff. We'll hit up the highway. Maybe do some revs and flybys or whatnot. But, hang back, sit back, see what he's done to his car. If you like what he's doing, definitely check out his YouTube channel. And with that being said, let's get into it, guys. All right, so let's start from the beginning. The Viper hood. Where did you get that? And then how much was it? Did you get it painted and everything like that?
Yeah, body shop I know, they hooked me up on the paint, but BMC Extreme Customs.
That's where I got mine. Yeah. BMC.
I went there,
Did you? It looks like you got this painted too,
yeah,
right?
Painted all in there. Yep.
And you blocked off the
it draws from
vents,
the center. Yeah.
So you don't have to worry about when it rains.
Yeah. No, but it sucks it from the center. In here, like if I pop it, you'll see it draws the heat. It's got slits in the inside, and it shoots it out like that.
That's right. Okay.
But it catches the water. It got water galleries that when you lift it, it drains out the back. Yep.
All right. So the Viper hood looks great.
Got the lights on there.
So did it come with the SRT kit?
Everything was done. I put everything on there, from the bumper to the front bumper, back bumper, side skirts, the hood. I just changed.
So you did the whole conversion. So it used to look like mine,
exactly,
and then okay. Yep. And how much did that end up costing you?
I did it piece by piece. Like I just recently did the back bumper. I would say probably like 2 weeks ago.
Okay.
The bumper and the hood.
Let's see it.
Because I had it yellow all the way over the top. The hood, the roof, and the back was yellow.
So I'm really curious because I've been kicking around the actually doing that to my car, the conversion. Yeah. So how much did it run you, ballpark?
Ballpark.
Did you get all the parts at Mopar or something?
Yeah, most of the parts. The only thing I got off the front bumper I got on eBay. Side skirts are Duraflex.
Okay.
I got those off of eBay as well. I think I went on Mopar overstock for the back bumper because you see I don't have the backup sensors, so I had to find one for this without the backup sensors on there. Nor do I have a backup camera. Estimated, I would say parts and labor or just parts.
Did you install it?
No, I went to a body shop.
Okay. Yeah, parts, labor, paint, well, ballpark. Because I'm kicking around doing it, and then I look at the price tag on some people, and it's like $5 grand. $6 grand, yeah, and I'm like, it kind of scares me a little bit to invest that kind of money in a non-performance item,
But parts and labor, just the bumper and the hood when I got it was 13.
Okay.
That was labor, 13, and then the parts had to be around, I would say probably like another 1,100. So there you're looking at about what, 2,400.
Yep.
So that's just that, and then now you're including the side skirts, Like I said, the wicker bill, I tinted this myself, yellow wicker bill.
Where'd you get the wicker bill from?
I think that was ZL1 add-ons.
Yep, that's the same company that I got.
I just found
pretty easy install,
paper.
Right?
Yeah, yellow tint paper, and I tinted it myself.
What's going on with this? Is this a Lux? Is that Lux?
What's that Lux? Yes, it is.
Yeah?
No, I'm lying. That's who is that? 757 Customs on Instagram, and they do all the custom lighting. Cause I had honeycomb pattern on it before. Now I got the mosaic.
Oh, looks cool.
Yeah, the mosaic pattern now. At night it looked great. At night. Then I just recently switched it because I had a yellow RT. Because this wasn't supposed to come all the way down when I got it wrapped. I told him to stop here. He brought it all the way down, so I had to convert it, change the RT to black. So 5-inch tips on there.
Oh, you went with 5-inch too, huh? Those look like the same ones that I have. They're big boys, man. They look like a couple of shotguns back there. So So it's cherry bombs with no resonators?
No resonators, 5-inch piping. They had to convert the original pipe into 3-inch piping in the back.
Okay.
And go into the inlet.
Oh yeah. Yeah. Hold on. Let me step back. Wow, it's a lot throatier than I thought. I thought it was going to have a lot of rasp to it, but it doesn't. It sounds really good.
They got that muscly.
Yeah, very muscly. So those are cherry bombs?
Cherry Bomb Extreme.
That sounds really good.
Yeah.
I didn't think it would sound that good. Good stuff, man. So the cherry bombs replace the mid mufflers, and then you remove the resonators, and what is it, a 3-inch piping?
3-inch piping going back right there.
Gotcha. And then it goes to the 5-inch outlets. All right. Okay.
Yeah, air raid.
I'll tell you one thing that you should look into: a Hellcat throttle body. It's so cool. It's 92 millimeters. So I think stock you're at like, I don't know, 80,
I think 80,
low 80,
85.
yeah, something like that. But you'll hear a lot more suction. It'll feed your engine a little bit more, but it's good.
Yeah, man, I love it.
Once you loaded up that tune, you noticed a big difference, right?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, big difference. But I want to go with a custom tune as well.
Like an email tune?
Like like
Okay.
Jay Green or something like that, the one you want early on.
It's good. It's so easy. Like they email you a tune.
Okay.
You load it onto your Diablo, and you load it up just like you did with your 93 or your 91 tune. So rims and tires, obviously.
Rims and tires, the SRT. That was a $2,600 rim and tire package.
Okay. What do you know what the sizing is? 20 by
20 by, I believe, 10.5 in the back.
Okay.
And
so
9s in the front. 9 inches in the front.
The tire is what?
They are 305s in the rear. 305.
Did you notice a big difference going with the huge, right?
Especially turning, like cornering and everything like that. It just stays planted. It stays flat. Opposed to, you know, when I had my 245s on, it was sketchy. You feel a lot of body roll.
Yep.
I was like,
Plus, you can't get off the line. Every time you step on the gas, it's just
now
a 40-foot burnout.
Brake traction. I step on it is straight off.
And then you did the 309 conversion, the limited slip.
Right,
when did you do that?
That was a story in itself. Just doing that situation because I got the rear from US Powertrain.
Okay.
They sent it out. I had it thrown in. I was on my way to get my lights done to a lighting trends. About 15 miles before I got there, rear went boom. So I had to get it towed to them so they can go ahead and throw the lights on and everything like that. Get it towed back to Philly. I threw my stock rear RT that I had, RT rear that I had at the house. I put that in myself.
So what you had the 262 open diff, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, because when I got the rear pit in the first time, it was under warranty. So I just had to throw the 309 and I kept the the original RT rear. So
that was smart. You had the dealer actually install it. Oh, that's a good. They didn't care. You were just like, hey, while you're there.
And I'm good with I'm good friends with a guy that works at the dealer. So he didn't mind. He said, all right, I'll
hey, that works out great.
Yeah. Tire letters, all that's on my channel too.
How the tire? Because quite a few people have mentioned this to me, doing the tire letters. How are they holding up for you? Because a lot of times, like, I see them always coming off. You know, like
you just gotta watch the curbs and stuff like that. Like curbing, then you might scuff it, it might start peeling off, and I just throw a little glue on there. And,
okay. So it requires a little bit of touching up every so often.
Yeah. But if you ain't curbing or anything like that, it's just a matter of just maintenance and cleaning it with the cleaner it comes with and everything like that.
You know, you have to drop this thing. You have to lower it just a little bit.
Yeah. I seen your video.
The wheel gap on there. I mean, it would just look so nice. Drop like maybe 1.5 inches or so. You know.
I know. Everybody's saying that.
You could do the coilovers or whatnot, but it'll really give it a more menacing overall look.
Right.
So
the custom badge.
this is interesting. So the what's going on here? Like
light up the snorkel lights. And
the snorkel lights.
Yeah, they change colors and all like that too with the.
So what you have like a little controller that you can be like red and blue.
Yeah.
Okay.
I can go ahead and change it.